Welcome. In this video, we're diving into how to create a broadcast on WhatsApp step by step. Whether you're sharing an announcement, promoting your business, or just keeping your friends informed, creating a broadcast makes it easy to send the same message to multiple people all at once without starting a group chat. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Make sure you're using the latest version so that everything looks and works just as described. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 small dots. Tap on them. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select New Broadcast. Now, it's time to choose your contacts. You'll see your contact list appear on the screen. Simply scroll through or use the search bar to find the people you want to include. Tap on each contact's name to select them. Remember, each broadcast list can include up to 256 contacts. Once you've chosen everyone you want to message, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap the checkmark icon. That's your confirmation your broadcast list has just been created. From here, you can type your message like you normally would in a chat. When you hit send, WhatsApp automatically delivers your message to each person individually. They'll receive it as a regular private chat, and any replies they send will come back to you one-on-one, not to the entire list. This is perfect for businesses sending updates, teachers keeping parents informed, or anyone who wants to share something important quickly and privately with multiple people. A quick tip: only contacts who have your number saved in their phone will receive your broadcast messages. So, if someone doesn't reply or mention getting your update, that's something to check. And that's it. Creating a WhatsApp broadcast is simple, powerful, and can save you a ton of time. Go ahead and give it a try today, and make your communication more efficient than ever before.